Hi friends, hope you're all doing good. In this video, I will be sharing with you a quick and easy pot decoration idea for Janmashtami. All you need is a pot, cloth to wrap, lace and some gem decor pieces. If you have a designer cloth or a dupatta, then you don't need any decor pieces. No paint is needed for this decor. Let's get started. I am using a small pot here. Pick any pot that you might have at home. Let's wrap the cloth around the pot and insert the rest of the cloth into the pot as you see here. Use a lace to tie around the pot's neck to hold the cloth and also to highlight the pot's shape. And now we can add some decor pieces like these for a complete look. Quick and easy Janmashtami pot is ready. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Praganj Creations for more such videos.